Hey everyone, it's Mark and Noah. Thanks for checking out the channel. And if you like the video, subscribe and like. Today we're talking about the Subaru pitch mount. It is pretty universal for most Subarus. It's made out of plastic, so I mean, cause for concern. It's plastic and it's holding up a major component of the vehicle. It's stopping the pitch on a transmission. This is where it hangs from. On the front of the transmission, obviously you have the mount in the rear, underneath, and then you have this here. A lot of movement in this unit, a bit of movement. I don't want to say a whole lot because I mean, this front bushing's pretty solid here. This rear one, however, has got a bunch of gaps in it. Kind of easy to twist it by hand, so you know that big heavy transmission can do a lot more than just that. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and replace this stock unit here with something a little heavier duty. We have the Cobb unit here. Take a look inside here. You have the new pitch stop itself, this nice little bubble wrap here. So there's that. And then of course you get a couple little stickers from Cobb and a thank you card. It's pretty neat. Polyurethane bushings in the Cobb unit here. What do you think? Which one's heavier?
This one.
That one's a little heavier?
And this one's a little heavier.
It's a little heavy? Okay.
Yeah, both of them.
So my take is that the Cobb unit is maybe just a little bit heavier than the factory one, but almost hard. You can't even really tell, to be honest. So that's good. There's not really a lot of extra added weight. It's got nice logos on there. They say it's put on there with a laser, so I don't know how that's really. It looks good. It looks sweet. I bought the Cobb one just because I got the Cobb as well, so I figured trying to keep everything the same. What are you looking at? Yeah, see that bushing. I got my 4-year-old son can push that bushing around, so obviously it's not real solid. And these polyurethane ones, I mean, they're not going anywhere. So, and there you have it. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, leave us a comment. And if you like the video, go ahead and subscribe. Appreciate it.